This Century 21 Agate Realty property video is presented by David Itzen. Beautiful home in gated development with slight ocean views. Regular entrance plus 2 ramps, one in garage and another at side yard. This home features a safe step walk-in tub/shower and main bathroom has handicapped bars in its walk-in shower. Much of the furniture is included, list available. Heat pump for comfort and efficiency plus electric fireplace. 1-car garage with storage and workbench. Loads of storage in the home. Compact kitchen with microwave/convection oven plus propane range. For more information, review the details below or contact David Itzen at 541-661-2541.